Røde flamme.
Kommer der en lille bakke igen.
Danilo Hondo fortsat i front. Så kører HTC High Road. Tony Martin og Matt Goss. Jeg kan se Dumoulin fra Cofidis med i spurten. Han sidder side om side med Hushovd.
Der lod han ham køre foran. Han så Cavendish ikke var der. Kommer Hagen. Det er Edvald Boasson Hagen.
Og han kommer stærkt. Han kommer rigtig stærkt. Et skud ud af en kanon. Hvad er det, Boasson Hagen?
Det er det.
Sikke en forcering.
Og Feyeux.
Det er det. Edvald Boasson Hagen og Romain Feyeux. Hushovd i 3. position.
Han vinder Tour, den der.
Stadig Boasson Hagen foran Feyeux. Skal det blive norsk igen i dag? Thor Hushovd også med. Går i front her. Thor Hushovd. Rojas i 3. position. Sebastian Hinault. Gilbert spurter med. Gilbert i midten.
Gilbert vinder.
Det er Gilbert forrest. Hushovd er væk. Rojas kæmper videre. Cavendish er også kommet op. Det bliver Cavendish. Der var han. Der var han omsider. Mark Cavendish. De havde tabt ham, HTC High Roads. Han holdt sig til. Og viser formatet. Etapesejr nummer 16 til Mark Cavendish. Klasse, klasse, klasse.
Men det var det, som jeg sagde, Dennis. Den er umulig at time, den her spurt. Det var, ja, det er slet ikke en spurt, som vi er vant til at se på den måde. Han er key på alle måder.
Ja.
Og så timer han den selv rigtigt i dag, Cavendish. Holdet missede det igen. Det var forkert, den måde, der blev kørt på. Eller forkert, det er umuligt at time den rigtigt.
Ja, der bliver også pustet ud der. Det var en, der skulle kæmpes for i den grad. Og her sidder dagens vinder. Sidste 150 meter, der er der simpelthen bare ikke nogen, der er hurtigere end ham.
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Gilbert bliver altså 2. Rojas 3. Og jubel selvfølgelig nede hos Brian Holm og Rolf Alderagt. Sebastian Hinault spurtede med her på hjemmebane. Det er nummer 7. 37 år gammel. Hvor jeg umiddelbart må forsvare med sin 3. plads. En dag med drama på alle fronter. Mere end vi havde brug for. Vi sidder og holder øje med, hvem der kommer stadig grupper ind herude fra vores vinduer. Der er lige kommet en gruppe med Daniel Navarro fra Saxo Bank Sun Cup, mens Vandborg...
Mark, many congratulations. A thrilling sprint, a really fascinating bunch sprint. Confusing to watch. What was it like to be in?
It wasn't a full-on bunch sprint. I think what the organisers have done this year, they've made it hard to make a proper bunch sprint. Now that's because I think that's because we've been dominating the last years. Now the reason we dominate at the sprint of the Tour de France is because, well, me personally, the last couple of years I put every other race in the world on the back foot to be good at the Tour de France. We brought the best team to work on the sprint in the Tour de France, so we dominate the sprints normally at the Tour de France. And I think we tried to make it a handicap this year, you know, and that wasn't a bunch sprint, man. That was hard. That was real hard at the finish. Like proper hard, actually. Well, you see Gilbert was there, Hushovd was there, Rojas was there. And yeah, I thought, like 1800 to go, the other sprinter teams came, Greipel bashed into me. Now, after the other day, what am I supposed to do when a 6'2" guy bashes into me? I can't defend myself anymore. I can't do anything, so I just have to get bashed. There's no way I can get them off. So if someone smaller than me does it, I can do it. Someone bigger than me does it, I can't do anything, so I have to drop back. I thought that was my sprint over, but then you can see that the likes of Brad and that were up there. So you can see what type of finish it was. Brad's going for it, it's a hard finish. He went 500 to go, bearing around the left. I just hit 300. I thought I'll just go to save some points. But yeah, I had my jump, I had my acceleration, and it was proper hard actually at the finish. Them last couple of 100 meters, that was like my legs would go and go and go, and you know. But I'm really, really happy with that.
Do they give you a different kind of satisfaction when you have to win like that, improvising, taking other people's wheels, not with your usual train?
Well, not really. Like the 9 guys in the team all did a tremendous job today, you know. So although it didn't look like a train, like normal sense where I'm on the back, they kept the pace high, they kept it strung out. If they hadn't have done their job, the bunch would have came and I would have been even further back, you know. So the guys did incredible just to keep it strung out. As it happened, it's probably better for me to be further back because I got to run up then. So, you know, yeah, it's always nice, and it's always nice to overcome adversity and overcome, you know, doubt and that, you know. And when people put handicaps on you, to overcome that always makes it extra satisfying.
16, well done, Mark.
Thank you.
Meins